Um, wait, that's not right. 36. Oh, sorry, it's 5460. All right, so projected is 5460. All right. Let me. I'm on the calculator right now. Let me figure something out.
Okay.
One sec. So you made about 52,688 from January through August, and then from September till December it'll be at. You'll get another 21,084. So okay. So we're looking at about 74,000 for the year. Does that sound about right?
And that's the gross, right, sir?
Yeah, that's the gross.
Yeah. Is that when you do a USDA loan, is that how you compute for my projected salary? How you did it?
Yeah.
Because
we take pay cuts into account as well.
yeah, and also I did get a bonus for August, which I haven't received yet.
Okay.
It's around $1,000.
Does that show?
That might add 1,000.
How long have you been working at this job?
With the company.
Yeah.
I'm on my second year now. I'm having my anniversary on the 9th of September.
Okay. So it'll be 2 years. And what have you received a bonus every August for the past 2 years?
No, I just did that because I did some training.
Okay.
I
just
trained someone, so I got. Yeah.
Okay, so we won't use the bonus then, and then the overtime. Did you get it in the previous 2 years as well?
Yeah, I got some overtime, but it's not something that I can predict that will happen.
Yeah.
Because every time we need overtime, my boss would say no to it.
Yeah.
But there are times that we had to do it, so it's just a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Will that be too much factoring?
For well, what is the average amount of overtime that you're getting?
I would say an hour or two. That's every 4 months or 5 months.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because they will only allow 1 hour every time, like, if that happens. Although
yeah,
I did get.
You're still well within the qualifying.
What is?
Because
do you have the number there for COVID?
The qualifying amount is 82, or the cap is 82.6. So
82.6.
Yeah. Your projected income would be below that, with that pay cut.
And using your calculations, it's still possible for me to get a USDA in this county, right?
Yeah, we can do a USDA loan for you in that county, no problem. The only thing we need to verify is that pay cut. I would need a.
Yeah,
I do have.
Okay. I do have a verification of employment already form filled out from my HR.
Perfect, showing the 35 hours and the new pay rate.
Yes, sir. Yeah, and it's on the remarks part.
Perfect.
Because that's what but my lender that I'm working with right now is telling me that I cannot.
Huh. Yeah,
I'm
I don't know why.
heartbroken.
The thing is with us, we're BOE Mortgage. We're the largest USDA lender in the United States. So
yes,
if we can't do it, there's no one that's going to be able to do it. I can guarantee you that. So what I'm going to do is, Nazario.
Yes, sir.
I'd love to help you with your business. I'd love to get you into this house, and I'd love to qualify you for USDA. So if you're ready, let's hop on the ball. Let me get your contact information so we can touch base. I'll need some of the documents that you already sent over to them, so we can have those, take a look at those, and verify everything. But yeah, I don't see an issue as far as qualifying you for USDA.
Yeah, but this is you're a lending company too, right?
Absolutely, yeah. We're a nationwide lender. Yeah.
Okay. Can you get my email and then email me some information so I can touch base with you again, sir?
Absolutely. Yeah. What's your phone number?
at 706
Okay.
508
508
7397.
7397. And then your email address.
It's the teacher Carl.
That's DA?
THE.
Oh, I gotcha.
The teacher Carl.
The teacher Carl. CARL?
Yes, sir. At gmail.com.
At gmail.com. All right, let me confirm that one more time. That's THETEACHER, teacher, CARL, Carl, at gmail.com.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. All right, yeah, I'll email you out some information with my contact info.
Okay.
And like I said, if you have those documents on hand, the process is very easy for you. 14?
1350, but it's going up, she said.
Okay. How soon is the increase going to be coming in?
The increase, like next month? Next month, pretty soon. Next month.
It's going up to 14, basically?
Yes.
Okay. And regular 40 hours or any overtime with that?
Yes, absolutely, 40 hours, yeah. Yeah.
No overtime?
No, not usually.
All right. So, and how long have you received disability?
Let's see now. How many years disability since 2000? 6 years?
6 years?
2007, 6 years?
Okay.
7. No, wait a minute. 2007. I would say, I'd say 7 years.
I understand.
Sorry. About 7 years, yeah.
And the kids are yours? They're both yours?
The kids?
Yeah.
Yes, they are. Yes.
Okay.
They have both of our names.
Okay, perfect.
She's the bio mother of both, but they're both my adopted children.
Okay, that's fine. All right, so Melanie, run me through some of your monthly debts, such as any kind of car loans, student loans, personal loans, any kind of credit cards that you're paying on.
I have a credit card.
Okay.
I only have like $800 left to pay on that. It's Capital One.
What's the minimum on there? Like 25?
No, I think it was only 1,000.
I mean, minimum monthly payment. I think it should be like 25 or $35.
The minimum payment on it?
The minimum payment on it?
22.
Okay. 22?
Yeah, 22.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Then I have like Finger Hut, 7th Avenue, those guys.
Okay,
I pay them monthly.
How much?
I pay one $45 a month. Finger Hut's $45, and 7th Avenue is like $35 a month.
Okay, so the Finger Hut's $45 minimum, and then 7th Avenue is $75.
No, $35.
$35. I gotcha. All
yeah,
right, so
that's Christmas gifts for the boys.
So that's 3 credit cards. Anything? Any other credit cards?
Nope, that's it.
Okay. And how about any loans? Any kind of student loans that you have in deferment? Any kind of?
I don't believe so. Nope, nothing like that.
Okay. No car loans, no personal loans, anything like that?
No, nothing like that.
When was the last time you checked your credit?
Just the other day. I think it's on Credit Karma. I think it was 629.
Okay.
The lowest one was 629. The higher one was 632. I think, something like that.
Okay. Awesome. And so.
Not bad.
Yeah. No, it's fine. It's workable. You're on your credit. Is there anything recent, like any late payments, any collections, any kind of delinquent account that you know?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope, not at all.
Okay. So you've been on time with everything for a while now?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Pretty darn good, actually.
That's good.
So myself, yeah.
All right. Now, anything in the past that might have happened that could be on there?
Well, I have a very, very checkered past, and actually, I've been clean for 10 years. But lots of stuff. But it doesn't. I would say some medical probably, but nothing financial institutions. No bank stuff, no credit card stuff. Mainly just probably a couple medicals, maybe a dental. I'm not positive though. But,
we don't really even count the medical. Anything non-medical.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing credit though. There's no banking or credit stuff that goes on that I have problems with.
Okay. Anytime you maybe an apartment complex had charged you something.
Yep, nothing. No.
Okay.
Yeah, no, nothing like that.
Awesome. All right, so now how about Tina? So what does Tina have in her name as far as credit cards or any loans?
She's shaking her head at me. She's going, my son. So you had, oh, this is true. So Tina had her ID stolen 2 different times, and so she's got some stuff in other states. She's had identity theft go on.
Okay.
And she's trying to take care of all that right now.
Okay.
She's in the process with the law enforcement in East Colorado and down south in Southern California. But so there's a little issue there, but you don't, like, do you have outstanding credit right now? Like, you have fingerhead stuff too, don't you? Do you want to talk to him for your part of it? Doesn't even matter. Okay. Do you want to talk to him? Tell him real quick. You want to talk to her?
Yeah, sure.
Would it be easier? Okay, hold on. Oh, no, because... Hello?
Hey, Tina.
Hi.
Hey, this is Danny. Hey, I just wanted to run through some of your monthly kind of revolving debts, such as any credit cards, any kind of car loans, student loans that are in deferment, and any kind of personal loans that you have.
Not in deferment. I've got a car loan, a lease that's in 100% standing. I've got 3 credit cards that are, all the payments have been made on time.
Okay, what is the minimum for the credit cards?
They're like the minimum payment?
Yeah.
$25. They're not big credit cards. 2 of them are, one of them's $300, one of them's $5, and one of them's $8.
Okay. And what is your payment for the car?
I was just trying to establish my credit, is why I got them. Huh?
Oh, sorry. Okay, that's fine. What is your payment for the car?
$230.
$230? Okay.
Mhm.
And let's see, anything else besides the credit cards on that car?
I have a fingerhead account that's $130 a month.
Minimum?
Yeah.
Okay.
Christmas.
And anything else that you can think of?
Not that I can think of, other than all the utilities and stuff I pay.
No, yeah, don't worry about that. We're just,
yeah,
any kind of revolving account.
The thing is, it hurt me. My credit, I had it almost up to 630, which is what I was trying to do this. And then because I kept getting cards thinking I was building my credit, every time they hit a credit check, it's knocked it down to like 585.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Not good.
So what do your reserves look like for you both? How much are you guys actively saving? How much do you have in like any kind of retirement account, any kind of 401k?
I don't have any of that.
Okay.
We don't have any of that. I get back about $7,000 every year in February. That's what we catch everything up on every year, or
I gotcha.
To use as a down.
And then okay, so what about any savings? Do you have a savings account?
I have one, but it doesn't have any money in it.
What about a checking account? Do you have any money in there?
Yeah, all my money goes in my checking. My paychecks go in there. It's direct deposit. Right now, I think I've only got like $40 in it.
Okay. So you guys are kind of doing paycheck to paycheck, huh?
Pretty much. Our rent's $800 right now, so that pretty much takes half of what I make.
All right. So get some of this.
Because I only bring home about 16.
I see.
Yeah.
Give me one sec. Let me run through this real quick. And you guys are trying to go for around 100,000.
Yeah, was mostly looking into the USDA loan. That is what our biggest interest was in. Because of the low income factor and the lower down payment and payment.
So let's see. As far as your gross is about 20. I kind of undershot, so I put 2,300 for you and about 889 for her. Her exact amount is fine.
Okay.
I've got 3 credit cards in here. I've got your car loan and your 3 credit cards. Now, are any of those joint cards?
No.
Okay.
We don't have anything joint like that.
Okay, that's fine.
We all her money's her, my money's fine.
Okay, and I've got your fingerhead in here.
Except for the house stuff we share. I mean, we share the bill, but we don't joint any money.
So yours, so you're recently on yours. What do you think is on there? I know you said you had some credit fraud. What What exactly is on there? Have you seen it?
Yeah, there's stuff up. There's a bunch of stuff in Colorado. I've never been there. I don't know how much of it is still affecting my credit. And there's a bunch of stuff in Colorado, and I mean, Bakersfield, California. I've never been there.
Okay.
And then there's some stuff in Washington, except the funny thing about it, all the stuff they did in Washington is they paid it off, like $30,000 car loan and all this stuff. But it's still not mine. Most of that stuff I think has dropped off. Currently what I've got going, but it's on hold, it shouldn't be on my record, is the stuff in Colorado right now is a property management place, mock property. They say I owe them $3,500 for an apartment that I know nothing about. Apparently they don't ask for ID when they rent their places out. And then a chiropractor office up there. But I also, on the printout, says that I owe the courts and probation in the hospitals up there also. But
yeah,
I'm in the process of sending a police report I filed with Bakersfield, like in 2007, up there to them. They said all they need is that, and they'll clear it up.
Yeah. So do you guys? Well, with the way the credit is right now, we wouldn't be able to do USDA, but we could do it with a 3.5% down payment. So if we could do a down payment, then it's a lot more lenient on the credit. So they're a lot more willing to lend on a little bit troublesome credit. But it'd be it really depends on your financial situation. If you can come up with on $100,000, it'd be about $3,500 for a down payment.
Are you still there?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, connect. He's not on there.
Hey, can you hear me?